everyone, today I would like to share with you is I have another car you scan for the Thinkcar Thinkscan 689BT. I'm going to scan the vehicle is 2015 Audi Q5. The engine I believe like 2.5 liter. So let's do together. I want to see what's going on. The customer complained the engine light on, so let's see. I'm going to zoom a little bit closer. Okay, Audi 16 Q5 VIN number, yes. Okay, now we do the health report or system scan. I gotta get health report. Let's see, scan all the systems, see what's going on. Health report. They're gonna scan everything. The engine light they have all cooked already. I'll show you. Right, transmission's okay, brakes okay. Electric center, electric. That's about Audi to interface. Okay, so let's see the engine. They say the Misfire number 1, number 2. Okay, left rear exterior door handle, touch sensor a problem. Okay, ATF the problem, emergency energy management activate. Okay, whatever. Okay, now we gotta go back over here. We don't worry about too much of that one. So what we have to do, we gotta select the system. Okay, so we do the engine. Yes. Now we got to do read DTC, the Misfire in number 2 and number 1. Okay, we check number 2 and number 1. So now what we have to do, we got to clear the engine light first. Clear the code. Yes, yes. Now go back to data. Let's see the engine running. Let's see, hit Misfire engine, Misfire. Calibration, blah blah blah. Super happy engine, Misfire. I don't see that. Ignition, timing. 1 2 3 4 5. I don't know about this one. It may be this one. 1 2 3 4. Okay, let's see. They have another one. knock sensor. Okay, engine misfire. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Okay, let's see what else. What is that number? This one too. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mark it out. Let's see what else. A lot. Okay, so now we say it's okay. So now we start a car, we see what's going on. Yeah, I can see the engine shake like crazy. So, yeah. See this one, engine number 2 is misfire. Even number 3 too. Number 1, number 3. Yeah, number 1 most of the time. Number 2 they don't show up, but number 3 a little bit. Okay. Yeah, number 2, misfire number 2 too. Number 1 and number 2, the big misfire. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, so let me turn the car off and then we take the spark plug out, see what's going on. Okay. Okay, just leave this one for now. We gotta go and take the spark plug out, see what. So now I'm going to remove the spark plug. I want to see what's going on. They say number 1 and number 2. Before I move that one, you have to remove the whole coil together. One. Okay. Okay.
Chú quay camera hả sao?
Dạ, em đang học YouTube chị.
YouTube. Chú đi YouTube.
Dạ.
Cũng tốt mà mình biết mình đi.
I have to remove this one now. One. Yes. Okay, coil number 1. Coil number 2. Take spark plug. See what goes on. Spark plug is garbage. Look. Completely dead spark plug. Okay, let's see number 2. Yeah, look at that. Here. The reason why, you know why spark plug they build up like this? Because the engine burn oil. So no matter what, I'm going to replace the spark plug. Then it will still happen maybe 1 month later because they build up the spark plug like this. And that's what the reason why the engine misfire, because this one the engine burn oil. The Audi, the bus, the engine. This one I can tell you what the engine size. I believe the 2.5 liter. 2 liter doesn't matter. It's 2.5, 2 liter same. But the engine. This one I believe is a 2.5. Okay, so anyway, I'm going to replace all spark plug anyway. And let's see how they work. To remove this. This one they have 2 things, but the problem is they want to spark plug a problem because the engine burn oil. The second time, you know, the intake over here, they build a lot of carbon over here, like carbon. You have to clean them up. If it's still misfire, you have to remove this one to clean them up. Same with like Volkswagen. That's a big job. You have to take the intake out, clean them up. I think so the dealer they check about like $1,000 for that. Just the labor only. Okay, so now we're taking another spark plug. And we'll replace all 4 spark plugs. Look. Old garbage. Yeah, old garbage, white. Look. Okay, I got all the new spark plug. This one is called laser radium. Yeah, laser radium. Here, that's the laser radium. That's expensive one. That's the part number here. You can see that. Here that's the part number. Laser radium. Okay, let me install 4 spark plugs and see what's going on. Still misfire or not, but I believe we fix the problem. Okay. That's the last one. So anyway, so I replaced the sparkler, but I recommend any customer never buy European car. To be honest with you, I'm a mechanic. I never like European car. I never buy Europe car in my life. Okay, now we start a car. Let's see what's going on. Okay, now we go to data. See, I want to see the number one. Number one, number two. I got this one in history 17 before. I don't see the fuel engine misfire anymore. Yeah, I don't see the engine misfire anymore. But the show up this one look like no spin, and that's okay. This one misfire, no. No, number two, number one, two, no, they don't have the misfire anymore. Let's fix it. Okay, what about this one? No. So that means it's good. Misfire number of misfire cylinder. They have another solution. Okay, let me go this one. They say number one and number two before. Let me go number one. Okay, I will wrap it. Okay, number two. No, go back to this one. Number one. Okay, number three. Number three and number four, number two together. Go wrap it. This one need a mark, that's good. So that's good for now. I don't see any misfire number one, number two right now is good. Number three, number four, nothing misfire. So that means good, it fixed the problem. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back to this one, zoom back. Okay, anyone, so I really fixed the problem, but no matter what, I've replace the spark plug, just temporary right now. If they want to fix the problem, they have to replace the engine, or we have to open the engine, see what problem, maybe the valve problem, or the piston, or piston spring, or whatever. Okay, so now for now it's no misfire, but I guarantee if they keep driving about a month later on and the spark plug problem again. Okay, so now I use this scanner, scan two of the car. This one, they're gonna lifetime update. I love it. Okay, thank you for you watching my video. See you next video. Okay, ciao.